Welcome back to the vlogs. We're in Cabazon, California, Morongo Casino Resort, I think. We're in the middle of nowhere, but we have a bowling tournament, so let's get in there. Well, we got practice winding down. It looks like the gutter's in play. I don't know if I'm gonna throw urethane or not. I kind of want to, but at the same time I kind of don't. But I might anyways, because why not? We'll bowl 8 games, and we get to cross next to the Shannon Cannon. That's cool. Well, at least have somebody to talk to, but hopefully we got some high scores and be good for tomorrow. Alright, so I'm throwing the gem. I know a lot of you guys are asking about balls and progression, so I'm going to try to remember to tell you guys when I'm switching balls and why. But I've already moved an arrow, got the front 5, they're hooking really early. Don't know why I'm throwing a gem, but I am. And it's striking, so we're going to roll with it for now. Shots ago, my gem was hooked too early. At 310, I opened, and I switched to a phase 2, and I haven't missed since. So I think it was a good ball change. 343 over. I don't know what the rest of the squad did, but that has a good chance of leading. There's still another squad though, so we'll see what happens. But pretty good block. Saw the lane's pretty good. Not hard by any means, but just got to keep it up tomorrow, and then hopefully we walk away with the hardware. Introduce yourself.
Hello, and I was the one who filmed the video.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Okay.
Well, leaders in the clubhouse officially. 434 over. We're leading by 98. So we're in a good spot for tomorrow. We have 4 games. The cashers round in the morning, so we hang on. The top 8 make it to a bracket, and total pins don't really matter after that. So as long as we have enough to stay in the top 8, we're good to go. And I'm feeling pretty good. We're gonna go get some lunch, me and the Shannon Cannon. He's currently on the bubble, so we'll get his take on how today went.
Yeah, we're sitting in 13th right now. I think 87 plus 87. I don't think I was doing the wrong thing. I think I just had to trick it with my hand too much because I didn't have the right ball in my hand. Probably need to drill more balls after this.
Drill balls we shall.
Drill balls we shall.
So we're gonna hang around the mall for a little bit. It's really hot, so we're gonna try to find a store. I need to buy some socks because I only have long socks. I didn't anticipate having this much time to kill, and my hotel is not the best. Anthony is currently sitting directly on the bubble. He's 13th. They take 24, and there's 2 squads. But he is a good amount ahead of the guy behind him, so I think he makes it. I think the cut's gonna be 69 over, or it's gonna be Anthony. Either one. I think he'll be happy because he'll get a check. Hopefully he's the number, because we don't come out here to bowl for no money.
Really?
180 average bowler today?
It's not looking good.
It's not what we want to hear. So I've been getting a lot of comments. They're like, oh my god, you know 220 average bowler?
Grew up with this guy.
Yeah. It's nuts.
Beat me back then too. All the time.
How are we feeling?
Feel alright. I think we're gonna make it. Should be it. Cut is, what'd you finish at? 87? Right there. Yeah, so. It should be fine. Cut 60 after 7 games? 60.
It may not go up. It might go down.
Yeah, it might go down, so. We still have to bowl like a lot tomorrow. We need like plus 250.
You gotta make sure you make it first.
Yeah, well, we gotta make it first.
Same thing is done. 4 games?
Yeah, 4 games to go. To shoot 290 every game to maybe make it.
I think 268 every game.
We're gonna catch you too much, you'll probably have to average it.
Yeah.
You're not catching me or Butters. No one is.
Too far behind.
Oh, we're not gonna let anybody catch us.
Stooped.
That's just how it goes.
Thankfully, it resets after. Right? Doesn't it reset after you go to 8?
It's a bracket.
Yes, it's bracket after.
But you gotta pick the bracket.
Yeah.
You guys are playing for 6 spots. Well, I heard the number is going to be 65.
Oh, I thought you were having that. Yeah, and I don't, so I scoot in. Don't think that 212 is enough for Solomon to scoot in, unfortunately. So yeah, he needed some strikes there last 4 frames. But we get to bowl, man. Bonus bowling.
Cool, good day. We both made the cut. Anthony's got some work to do, and I just got to not trip over and fall and die. I should make it. But yeah, 343, 87. I think the top 8 numbers at 172, 170 something. So honestly, you're not that far out.
It's not that far.
Very attainable. So we're gonna go eat, get some rest, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for the finals.